Today we're going to be talking about exercise 2 for our 1-point perspective lesson. You're going to need the handout, a ruler, and a pencil. Just some things to remind you. This is called the horizon line. It's dividing our paper into a top and a bottom. There's going to be several points of view you can do. This one's called the on view. You can have your horizon line above, and you can have it below. The standard one is in the middle, and that's what we're going to practice with today. So you have these shapes, and these are unique shapes. And what we're going to do is from the vanishing point, we're going to use our ruler and draw a line, but we're not going to do it straight from the dot to that. We're only going to do a little bit of it. That way we can have this shape coming out from in space. Here I have my lines. If I were to use my ruler, which again I don't have a ruler tool on this, it would be going from here to there. All of these lines are going to be radiating out from this vanishing point. So when I want to close them, I need to look at what my shape is doing. My shape is, here's a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, and that one should be going behind the shape. So when I want to close them, I'm going to do this one in a different color just so you can see. I'm going to line my ruler up with this line, move it out, and then I'm going to draw a line there like this. There you can see how we echo the shape out here to close it off out here. So your mission today is you're going to do that to all of these shapes. All of these shapes, their vanishing lines should be coming from the vanishing point, not vanishing lines. The three-dimensional lines should be coming from the vanishing points like that. Then you'll need to close it off by echoing the shape. And again, we just line that up parallel to what our shape is doing. But all of these are going to be radiating out. Okay? Then you're going to take it to this next step. Here's an example of one we showed in class. And so you can see that all the shapes have this extension coming from the vanishing point. If you're doing it and you get more lines, you want to erase it like here. You can have a different thickness here. This one's really long. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start wrapping a ribbon in and out these pieces like as if they were blocks. You're going to need to put the hole in it, have it come out, go behind, come apart. You can curly Q, you can do what you want. But a ribbon type or a rope is going to need to connect all of these pieces. After you finish that, you're going to start shading. And there's a couple of ways to go about doing this. If you remember our pop art, where we did the dark on the outside and we got to this light in the center, that's a way to give that ribbon or rope a real dimension to it. You can also practice different types of shading. This is what's called a block shading. It's a darker on the bottom and like a medium on the side. Here's a gradiated shading where we're going from a really dark to a really light. Now I did these really quick so that I can have an example to show y'all. Hopefully your pencil marks will be better than mine. And so you need to practice your shading. And what I'm going to encourage you to do on this is I'm going to encourage you to try different kinds. This is an exercise. This is not our finished piece. We're going to be doing one in color. And so this is the one that you want to practice. Do I want to do a gradient fill? Do I want to do this? If this is going to be dark, would this be dark? You know, think about how it will all interconnect and go together. So this is what's exercise 2. And so it's not a perfection piece. It is something that we are just trying different styles with. We're going to work with this rope. We want to see it go in and then come from behind the shape and then weave in and out throughout the others. So this is an exercise to practice our pencil skills, to practice our perspective, to practice our 3D op art going on, and do this. So don't get frustrated if it's not turning out right. Go to another shape and do that. All right? Good luck, guys. I look forward to seeing it.